Lena has a total of 41 loonies and toonies. Okay, so a combination of loonies and toonies, we don't know how much of each we have, but total is 41. And the total value is $59. So there's two things that we don't know. The amount of loonies and the amount of toonies. So let's let X be amount of loonies. Okay. And let's let Y be amount of toonies. Then we can say the sum of these two has to be 41. Okay, so that's our first equation. I say first equation because we haven't yet used this $59. Well, for every loonie, the actual worth in dollars is just, if you have X, or if you have 2 loonies, that's $2. If you have 3 loonies, that's $3. If you have X loonies, it's X dollars. But for toonies, if you have 1 toonie, you have $2. If you have 4 toonies, it's not $4, it's $8. This just doubles. This should add up to 59. That's what they're telling us. So we have two equations. It says to graph both lines. So this, if you isolate the y, you get minus x minus 6 plus 41. Here we get, first step is to isolate y. So we get 2y minus x plus 59. And we get y is equal to minus half x plus 59 over 2. Okay, so note that this in mixed form is 24 and a half. All right, let's graph it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So let's say that's 41. Okay, and 24 will be a little bit above half. So let's say this right here is 24 and a half. So slope for this one is 1, so it's got to be 45 degrees going down to hit 41. And the slope for this one is negative half, so it's gonna be not as steep, right? So if this is 24 and a half, to get the slope of negative half, this right here has to be double that, which is going to be 59. Okay, that's the first one. Second one, we graphed it. So determine the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines. So they're talking about this point right here. Okay, so at that point they share a point. This particular point is on both the first and the second equation. So they both have the same x value and same y value. So you can use that. Okay, so you can say at point of intersection, we can say since the y is same, we can say minus x plus 41 is equal to this minus half of x plus 59 over 2. Okay, and we have to find the value of x. All right, let's multiply both sides by 2 and we get minus 2x plus 82 is equal to minus x plus 59. Collect the x, add both sides by x, and we get minus x plus 82 is equal to 59. And minus x is equal to 59 minus 82. If you subtract both sides by 82, so that gives you a minus 23. So x is positive 23. So that makes sense. They're saying we just got that this is 23 approximately. And since when x is 23, the y values on both the first and the second line, we can just plug it into either one. Let's plug into this one because it's easier to plug in. So y is equal to minus 23 plus 41, 18. Okay, so the point of intersection is 23 and 18. So we can say therefore point of intersection is 23 and 18. Okay. All right. How do you know that the coordinates of the intersection are the only possible combination of loonies and toonies that meets the condition of the situation? Right? It's because graphically you can see that they don't intersect anywhere else. if they intersected somewhere else, there could be potentially another answer, right? So there's only one possible solution, which allows you to add the number of loonies and toonies to get 41 and to get the value to be $59. Only one combination. That is 23 loonies and 18 toonies.